Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain some more applications of volume and surface areas. So, in the previous class onwards, we are learning applications of volume and surface areas. In the previous class, we learned applications of volume and surface areas for examples. Today, here we will learn some more applications. So please watch the video and note it down on your running notebook and practice it. Okay, children? Here I given one problem for you. So all of you look at the problem. The cost of painting a solid sphere at the rate of 50 paisa per square meter is 1232 rupees. Find the volume of steel required to make the sphere. So once you look at the problem, children, here to solve any type of problem, first of all, what is given in the question you can identify, and next what can we find, note it down, and we can use the related formula and solve the given problem. Here clearly observing, children, the total cost of painting of a solid sphere is how much given? 1232 rupees. And also the cost of per square meter is how much? 50 paisa. Okay. So what can we find? Find the volume of steel required to make the sphere. So first of all, you can note it down what is given. Solution. All of you look at the problem. Okay, children, what is given? Cost of painting is how much is given? Rs 1232 rupees. And next what is given? Rate of painting how much given? 50 paisa, that means 0.5 50 paisa. Understood, children? So cost of painting, so we have the formula. Cost of painting, we have the formula surface area into rate of painting. Understood? Cost of painting means total cost. How much we got it? Surface area, that means total surface area into rate of painting. Okay, so actually how to got surface area? So rate of painting, take this side. So we have the formula cost of painting by rate of painting. So according to given solution, cost of painting, how much we have? Look at the problem, children. 1232 rupees. So rate of painting is how much, children? 50 paisa, that means 0.5. So surface area is nothing but, here look at the problem very clearly. So a total cost is given. So how much, how to got it this total cost? We have the formula. How we got the formula? Simplify this solution. So simplify, what you got it? 2464 meter square. Are understood, children? 2464 meter square. It is nothing but what, children? surface area. Surface area. So actually surface area formula what children? Surface area of a sphere 4 5 r square is equal to how much? 2464. From this equation we can got it r value. How to got r value? First you find r square. 2464 by 4 5. Okay children. So 4 ones are, for how much? 2464, 616 by 5. So 616 by 5 value how much children? 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Now this denominator 7 take to numerator and multiply 616 into 7 by 22. After simplification, what you got it? Look at the picture children. Here we got it 196. After simplification, we got it 22, 28 sir. Okay, 28, 28 sir. So how much you got it? Multiply 7 8 sir. 56, 6 5. 7 2 is 14 plus 5, 19. That means r square value 196. So how you got it? R value squaring on both sides. Square root of 196. Square root of 196 value how much children? 14. 14 meters. So actually what you want? Volume of steel required. Volume of steel required. How to got volume steel required? We have the formula. So 4 by 3 5r cube. So 4 by 3 5r cube formula what? 4 by 3 into 5 value you know. 22 7. R value how much we have? 14. 14 into 14 into 14. Finally if you simplify, we'll got it 34,496 by 3 meter cube. This is the volume of steel required to make the sphere. Are understand this problem children? Okay, you look at the picture very clearly. We look at here, we look at the problem and find out. Okay children? So this is the one of the application by using volume and surface areas. Next we have one more problem. A hollow hemispherical bowl of thickness 1 centimeter has an inner radius of 6 centimeters. Find the volume of metal required to make the bowl. Understand question? A hollow spherical bowl of thickness 1 centimeter has an inner radius of 6 centimeters. Find the volume of metal required to make the bowl. So how to solve this type of problem? So look at the diagram. So here I draw a hollow hemispherical bowl. Hollow hemispherical bowl. Okay children. So in this question, first of all, what is given, you can identify. First of all here, given that what is given? Inner radius. Inner radius. How much given inner radius? R equal to 6 centimeters. And again what is given? Thickness is given. So thickness how much given? Thickness is nothing but, let it be small t, equal to 1 centimeter. Here identify, children, inner radius, this is small r. Outer radius from here to here see, bigger. This is a small t. Okay, thickness. So from the question, what are you observing? Outer radius. Outer radius, let it be capital R, is equal to, how to got it? Small r plus t. A small r value how much we have here? 6 centimeter plus 1 centimeter is equal to 7 centimeters. So in this solution we got it inner radius, thickness, outer radius. So but actually what we want? Find the volume of metal required to make the bowl. So volume of steel required, look at the picture. Volume of steel required. So from the diagram what are you observing? 2 by 3 5 r cube minus 2 by 3 5 small r cube. So here see, look at the picture. How much metal required to make this type of hollow hemispherical bowl is nothing but, we can find the volume of outer hemispherical bowl minus volume of inner hemispherical bowl with using the values. So according to given problem 2 by 3, so 5 into r cube minus r cube. I separate 2 by 3 into 5. 2 by 3 into 5 value how much? 22 by 7. So according to question, r capital R how much here? We have 7. 7 cube minus small r, children, 6 cube. So next we can simplify 22 into 2, 44 by 21. 7 cube value what? 343 minus 6 cube how much? 216. So after simplification, 44 by 21 into 127. So multiply, children, 5588 by 21 centimeter cube. So total how much volume of metal required to make this type of bowl is how much, children? 5588 by 21 centimeter cube. If you want, you can convert value into decimals, otherwise leave it. Or understand? This is also one of the example for applications of volume and surface areas. Next we will see one more problem. This area of a sphere of diameter 42 centimeters. So from this question, first of all, what is given? You note it down, children. So what is given? In radius is given. So radius how much given? Radius is nothing but half of the diameter by 2. 42 by 2 how much, children? 21 centimeters. So volume of sphere formula what, children? Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 5 r cube. 4 by 3 5 r cube. So substitute the given values. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 21. So after simplification, we will got it 38,808 centimeter cube. And also we can find surface area, because in the question they are asking surface area and volume also. So what is surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square, 4 into 22/7 into 21 into 21. Finally simplification after we got it, 5544 centimeters square. This is the way we can simplify the given applications of volume and surface areas. Are understood, children? Okay. Please remember all the formulas and solve the given problems. I think you are understood today class. Thank you.